Hello! King County Information Technology is committed to doing our part in supporting an effective and efficient government in King County and to excel in delivery of technology services to our customers. How do we continually improve services while meeting fiscal challenges? The answer is to build service capacity. What do we mean by that? Wherever possible, we are finding ways to increase our output without an increase in staff and without increase in cost. As this chart shows, there are various ways to do so, from technology and process to partnerships and employee development. Two common threads will emerge as you hear from our service owners how they increase capacity in their services. One, existing staff is enabled to take on additional duties and expand service offering. Two, cost of computing infrastructure has decreased and/or we can provide additional infrastructure at the same cost. Here are their stories. Thank you.
Hi. One of the ways we're increasing capacity is to reduce the administrative burden of our people processes and to increase the value of those processes to our organization. An example of this has been the implementation of one common performance appraisal process that includes a new PA form. In addition to being more efficient by using only one tool for the department, the new processes allow us to clearly align employees' work with our strategic direction by adding individual performance goals to the form. The goals help employees focus their energy on what's most important and aligns employees' efforts across the department. A dedicated volunteer group of KCIT leaders work with the HR team and labor employee representatives to make this happen. This new process works best when there's active collaboration, dialogue, and communication between employees and their supervisors. This increases employee engagement and focuses employees on what's most important. Thank you.
In KCIT Business and Finance, one of the efforts we have been focusing on is contract review and building healthy partnerships with our vendors. In 2013, we held our first annual vendor fair. Here are some great photos from that event. With the support of our executive and council and help from executive services and a county's attorney, we were able to finalize a prepaid agreement with Cisco on our network maintenance, resulting in significant savings for the county.
Microsoft is another strong KCIT partner that has been working with us to support the King County Technology Plan. These and many other efforts resulted in about 6% annual savings.
In addition, we are also promoting equity and social justice. We participated in vendor conferences for small businesses and encouraged them to work with us. Presently, over 5% of IT contracting dollars go to small businesses. We will continue this wonderful effort.
And at the same time, strive to get more with the dollars we have. Thank you.
Yes,
thank you very
everyone.
much.
Hey, King County, Biff Tannen, I'm back. I'm sure you remember me. I got some new and improved cloud services I'd like to sell you. We've got some Marshmallow hybrid cloud, got the fluffy clouds. Let's talk.
Hi, the key to building capacity at the data center service and improving efficiencies is through modernization and standardization. Our strategy is to no longer install and manage individual servers, but to offer instead a standard virtual environment called the SVE. Our customers are already adopting this technology and have transferred over 240 servers into the SVE. And this has created some major outcomes for the county. The time to stand up a server has gone from 3 months to just 48 hours. The footprint has shrunk from over 16 cabinets of space to just 6/10 of a cabinet. And the cost to provision have dropped by almost $1 million this year. Another bright product of the service is that we can now offer the surplus space to our regional partners. Some of our customers today include Eastside Catholic Schools, the City of Tukwila, and these customers are already generating over $42,000 in annual revenue for the county that can offset our operating costs. This service also has the potential to generate revenue in excess of $1 million once fully implemented. Thank you.
Hello. In 2011, we opened the KCIT Service Center. One of our many goals was to increase how many tickets were resolved during the first contact with the customer. Our customers prefer to have their issue resolved when they first report it. By resolving the issue instead of passing it to another team, we help those other teams build capacity. To increase the number of issues resolved in the Service Center, we created 2 knowledge bases. One is our external knowledge base for our customers to use, and the other was internal for our use. To accomplish this, we used 2 approaches. First, employee development. We identified people who either have an aptitude or an interest and use a variety of training approaches for those staff. Second, we partnered with other teams. To take on additional tasks that could be used for first contact resolution, we needed training and documentation from those other KCIT teams. Thank you, everybody.
Hello. The Workstation service provides computers, network connections, support, and access to enterprise tools such as Microsoft Office and Lync. With so many different computers in the county, we had an ideal opportunity to build capacity through standardization. We now offer 5 standard service options, 2 desktops, 2 laptops, and our latest tablet offering. This tablet is powerful enough to replace a user's desktop and versatile enough to meet a variety of mobile business needs. We have shifted the conversation with customers from specific computer models to a discussion of their business needs. Our standardization strategy includes a 4-year replacement cycle for all computers, and King County departments see regular annual rates rather than large fluctuations in costs. The standardization and modernization efforts of Workstation Services have increased IT's capacity with no increase in costs. And more importantly, they have increased the computing capacity for end users throughout King County. Thank you.
Hello. Our Unified Communication Service is building capacity by modernizing communications and reducing the cost of business while ensuring long-term sustainability. And we are enabling the King County strategic goal for mobile workforce. With Unified Communications based on Microsoft Lync, we are already avoiding major risks by upgrading from aging PBX telephone systems. Unified Communications reduces the cost of each phone line by 1/3. It also brings many new capabilities which improve employee productivity, communication, and collaboration. It frees the employee from being tied to a desk for phone calls, instant messaging, presence, and online meetings. And then there's more savings. Retirement of BlackBerry service generates annual savings of $82,000. We also increase capacity of individual email boxes from 500 megabytes to 2 gigs at no additional cost. Our employees love it. Thank you.
Hello, this is a story of how we built capacity and enhanced the effectiveness of county operations in my service. We took a leadership role and partnered with over 50 agencies in the region to acquire high-resolution aerial photography. Our partners included the U.S. Geological Survey, Kitsap County, cities as large as Seattle and as small as Hunts Point, and the Muckleshoot and Port Gamble Skalalem tribes. Through cost sharing with our partners, we were able to obtain imagery of a far better quality than we could on our own. With better imagery, we and our partners are able to support a wide range of critical business needs for the management of our natural resources and facilities. We accomplished this with no added staff and cost savings of over 60% for the county. Some of our regional partners realized cost savings of nearly 80%. With the success of this effort, we will be seeking other opportunities to collaborate with our regional partners to improve on the quality of GIS data and services. Thank you.
Cloud services, GIS works great in the cloud. Mobility, unified communications, cloud services. Biff Tannen, Tannen Cloud Services.
Hello. King County executive leadership and our boss, King County CIO Bill Kehoe, have challenged us to look into ways to increase the capacity of our services. In my services, we applied lean principles to eliminate the low-value work and focus on what truly added value for our customers. That created time for staff to do more. We implemented the county's first ever portfolio management system. No added staff, no added cost. With it, we increased transparency of our projects and applications and enabled efficiencies county-wide. Most importantly, we can now do business analytics, which helps us better manage technology resources and guide our strategic decisions. For example, in just the executive branch, we have almost 1,700 applications written in over 55 languages and 20 databases. Imagine the cost. Our strategic direction is clear: standardize and modernize our applications. Thank you.
Thank you to our fabulous service owners who have just shared their stories with you. This is a small, however representative sample of capacity building in King County Information Technology, or KCIT as we like to call it. You have heard about different ways we are increasing our service capacity. The service model, technology modernization and standardization, best practices for managing IT, lean business processes, regional partnerships both with local governments and vendors, and most importantly, our development of our employees. Wow, that's a lot, and there's even more. Our employees are the key contributors for building capacity. KCIT stands for Knowledge, Collaboration, Innovation, and Teamwork. In KCIT, we foster and are committed to employee development and engagement. Our technical leadership and customer service skills, passion, and dedication are essential to enable our continuous service improvement.
Excuse me, ma'am. Jane Pendergast, Deputy CIO, KCIT. Biff Tannen, Cloud Services. Can I have a moment of your time? I'd like to tell you about my cloud services.
No, I'm really sorry, not right now, sir. Can you leave, please? Can you leave?
Cloud Services?
Can you please leave, please? Thank you.
Cloud Services.
Security. We in KCIT are doing our part in supporting King County's goals for delivering efficient and effective public service to our residents, partners, and visitors. Thank you all so much.